You're welcome. In this video, let us understand how to make online exam using Python. So it's a Python web application project. Here we are using XAMPP server. So XAMPP will have Apache server with MySQL. So therefore we are using Python, XAMPP and MySQL for this particular project. So as the name indicates, it's an online project where student can sign up and you can take the examination and you can able to see the result immediately once the exam over. That's the main concept of this project. I'll show you the design first, what are the things we can add up in admin module and what are the things we can do it in the student module. So this video is basically for the CS students who are doing any of these courses like BE, BCA, BSc, BTech, Diploma or any other course. So and you're also learning Python, and as part of your curriculum you're supposed to do a project, and this particular video is basically for a mini project. So how we can use the Python and you can make a mini web application project. So if you want to do it your own a Python project, please watch the video completely and you can able to do a project by yourself. So before completing this video, we suggest you please watch this video, Banking Python Web Application Project. In this project, we explained everything like how to make configurations, how to do installations, what are the setups you required, and how to make the main page, login page, how to log in. All are already explained here because in every web application, so generally there generally the two modules. One is admin module, the other one is a client or a student module. In this case is a student module. So here admin can log in, then you can go to main page, whereas student can sign up, then they can log in, then again they'll go to main page. So these are very common to all the web applications. Therefore, so all these concepts we already explained in this project, in this video, and it will a detailed explanation. So therefore we please watch that video also. So therefore you'll get a complete idea how to make all these basic pages. For that, please go to our go to YouTube, then search for Highblix tutorials. You'll have Highblix tutorials here, and click on videos, and you can see if you browse here. So this is a banking Python web application. So and also we are like how to install XAMPP, how to install Python, and lot more. So there are many project videos, and you can also learn Python here. So this chapter wise classes are conducted here. And meanwhile, please subscribe to our channel. So if you subscribe to our channel, we can provide you more content, and also like you can get an information like what are the new things we are adding in our channel. So please subscribe to our channel. Then we'll come back and we'll see that how do we do this particular project. What the one we are discussing now is the online examinations. So as discussed, even this project will have two modules. One is admin module, then the other one is a student module. So sign up and all I already told. So after login, you go to main page. From main page, what you can do is you can enter the questions. Question entry. Question entry. So admin has to do the question entry. So once you do the question entry, you can able to see the things. You can see the questions list. What are the entries done? You can able to view it. So therefore this is a question list. And one more option is a student list. Who are all the students sign up? That list has to come here. So therefore this is the student list. Then result actually. So who are the student taken exam? Exam result. That automatically take care. So on the student time, student login, student module. So you can sign up, login, take exam. So once the exam is over there, you can able to see the result. So here is a question entry. There is a one table. So all the data will go to this table. When you take the exam, the data will be fetched from here, this table, and it will show on the pages. So when you sign up, so this is a student table. So the data comes to this and we going to list it here. So when you take the exam, so there is another table. So all the result will be stored here. So what is the question number? What is the correct answer? What is your answer? Whether you score marks or not, score will be there. For every one question, one score. If you not scored, zero. So based on this table, we're going to show the result. So altogether it makes around 20 pages. You can see that these are the files which are using in this particular project. So as we discussed already, there are tables. So I'll show you the tables here. So here is the exam database, and we need to use the exam database because if you have multiple databases, which one you are using in MySQL, that for that you say use exam database. If it is a GUI, you can click on the exam database and select that one. And this is the admin login table, and this is the question table. And here we are inserting some questions. We can insert the question one by one in the program also. Here by default we already insert some questions, and here is the customer or student table, and here is the exam table. So these are the tables which are using in the project. So these tables has to be created. So in phpMyAdmin, so you have to come phpMyAdmin, you have to execute all the code here, and then if you run, so you can see that exam database and all the tables already created over here. So this is the one part. The next part is you need to log into admin. So then you'll come to admin main page. So here is a question entry. So you need to go to question entry and you need to type the question over there. And what is the answer A, answer B, answer C, answer D, and what is the correct answer. Okay, so now you can see that question is typed and all the answers and the correct answer is provided over here, and then you can save this. Now the question entry is done. So now we should know like how to write this code. You have to go to admin question entry.htm. So I'll take to that. Okay, so this is the admin question entry. So you can edit in the Notepad++. So this is the code. This is HTML code, pure HTML code. Code you have to write. So here is the table, and here is the input. Text box 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and there is a list box here. So here option 1, 2, 3, 4 are provided. And when you submit the button, you should take to the this particular form. So you'll come to this location. So then it should execute this particular file. Admin q entry save. So here is the file admin q entry save. This is a Python file. So I need this. So these are the basics, and here is the connector, and you have to import CGI, and all the values whatever you enter to the text boxes will be transferred to the T1, T2, and here to connect to the SQL server. Then in order to generate the next question number, we are select max question number plus 1 from question tab. This will generate the next question number, and that we are going to store into the p number variable. Then again we'll have a cursor here, and there are two variables. So first variable insert into question tab values, second variable data values. So int p number variable and all the values in the text box, text variables, and that will be executed. That will insert the data. So as I told already, please watch the first video, that is a banking. So in that we explained in detail. So then only small changes in the code, otherwise same will do the job. Okay, let's come back. Now question is ready. So you can go to admin main. You can see the question list here. So all the questions what are entered, we can able to view it here. And here is a student list. Overall the students sign up, that list is there here. Then result. So now what I'll do is I'll take to the student main. I already logged in here. Sign up, login, all is done. So because I'm not showing now, so it's already there in the other video. So therefore please watch that video. And here you can take to take exam. So here is a question: who developed the Python? Zimdan, Guido van Razem, Nene Storm, Vic van Razem. So you need to select which is the correct answer. So here I can say 2, Van Rosem. So next, in which language Python is written? So which language? So it's written in the C. What is called as C Python? Right. Second is the answer. Next, what we use to define block of code in Python language? So this is the indentation, key, brackets, none of this. Which one it is? It's a indentation, so 1 is correct answer. Next, what is the method inside the class in Python language? So argument, object, attribute, function. So it is function, so therefore fourth is the correct answer. So this is the fifth question. Which of the following is not a keyword? Eval, assert, non-local, pass. So here eval is not a keyword. So then next. So it completes your exam. You can go out next. Is okay. So it's completed. Now if we go to exam result, you can see that total 9 and 9 is your score. But actually 9 is not your score. It's totally 5 questions. 5 should be the score. Why it happened? Because so previously entered data still is there in the database. That is not cleared. We need to clear the data. Clear the data, you have to come back to exam tab here. So then go to SQL. So we can delete the old data. So delete from exam tab. So now it is deleted. So I can take exam. Then I'll take quickly. Then is 2. So 1. Okay, if I make wrong, okay, no problem. It shows a wrong. Then here it is a 1. Okay. So exam result. So totally 5 questions. So 4 is your answer. Or else what you have to do is when you log in, so we need to delete the data. So if you already taken the examination, we can delete the data. So in that case, what you have to do is you have to go to this login page, student login. So this is the login.py. So here, so we return the code over there. If ch is equal to 1, that means your user ID password is correct. So you can log in over there. So before that, what you have to do is we have to open the cursor and then you have to give the execute the delete statement and then you have to delete the record. So hope you understand the concept and like how to make an online project. So if you have any doubts, so please write it in the comment box. Let me know what you're thinking. And if you have any difficulties, please share it with the comment box. So let me see that how we can help you. And if you're looking for different projects, so again write it in the comment box. So that for in our next videos, we try to bring that video. I mean, we can make that particular video. So please subscribe to our channel. So that definitely help us to bring more content to this channel. Thank you very much.